Beautiful luxury one bedroom in Forest Hills. This is entrance. On the left is a big coat closet. This is the living room, a large living room, beautiful hardwood floors, high ceiling, lots of light during the day. Could be the dining area for the kitchen. Beautiful kitchen, all stainless steel appliances, a lot of cabinets, a lot of counter space. Comes with a dishwasher and a microwave. Windows in the kitchen, more cabinets, extra space. There's still another closet here. It's the bedroom, a large bedroom. You can fit a king size or queen size bed with a dresser. It comes with 2 windows and 2 closets. This one here, another one here. There's the linen closet. Bathroom all renovated, beautiful tiles, very clean. Shiny bathtub. Beautiful apartment, elevator building, laundry in the building, near banks, restaurant, grocery shops. A few blocks from the 71st Continental. Stop the E train and F train, express train, also near the MNR train, LIR train. The apartment is very good price, gonna go very quick. If you want to view it, call me or text me so we can schedule a viewing. Thanks for watching the video. Have a wonderful day.